Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna create this makeup look. Now this was a highly requested video, so yeah, if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep on watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, so I'm starting off with a primer. Now this primer has a little bit of pinky peachy tinge to it, and it will cancel out the darkness and it will brighten up my face a little bit, not much but just a little. And then I'm moving on to the foundation. Now I used two foundations today. The first one is the Nykaa SkinGenious foundation and the second one is LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation, and both of them has a very hydrating dewy finish to it, and both of them has a very beautiful coverage, looks very beautiful on the skin, and they are not drying at all. I always love mixing my foundation, and both of them gives a very beautiful sheen to the skin that I really love. And here, as you can see, this looks a little bit lighter, but after some time it starts looking like my skin. Then I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer on the areas where I would like to highlight my face, and just used a little bit on the blemishes as well. These are just the usual areas where I like to apply my concealer, and then I blended it with a beauty sponge, and that's it. Then to set my under eyes, I used the Masterfix by Face Studio, and this powder is best to set your under eyes and to set your concealer. I really like this powder a lot. I love the Fit Me one as well. I love this powder. If you haven't tried it already, please do, and let me know if you like it or not. Now I don't like to bake with it. I just use a tiny little bit with my brush and dust it all over my face, and it works wonderfully. And this is a translucent powder, so it doesn't have any color to it, and each and every Indian skin tone can use it. And if you have oily skin, just go and get it. Next, to set my entire face, I'm gonna use the 9 to 5 primer plus matte foundation. I use it as a compact, and this will make your makeup sit on your skin throughout the day. It will make your skin sweat proof, bullet proof, and everything proof. And this is something I wear every single day. Whenever I'm going out somewhere, I just cannot live without it. Then I'm using a setting spray to set my base. Then for my brows, I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit. Now this is, I believe, a great dupe of the Benefit Browsings, if I'm not wrong. Now I don't have that Benefit one, but this works equally beautiful as any high-end brow product, so I really like it. And if you haven't used it already, and if you are looking for a good brow kit, just go and get it. You won't be disappointed. And I have used it up a lot, and still a lot is left there, so the quantity you are getting is amazing. And this is of course a good quality product, so highly recommend it. Then to set my brows on place, I used the NYX brow gel. Now you guys have seen me using a lot in my videos, and I love this brow gel. I am definitely gonna get it once it gets over. Now let's jump into the major part of this video, that is eyes. So here I'm using the Pac Matte 9 Colors Eyeshadow Palette, and I love this palette. So what I'm gonna do is, first I'm gonna define my crease to give my eyes some definition to it, and then I'm gonna move on. I'm just gonna use the same shade again and again to intensify my crease. So guys, this eye look was highly requested from all of you, so I decided to do it, and I just improvised a little bit. And always remember one thing: whenever you are creating any eye makeup look, make sure that everything is blended properly. And here I'm using a fluffy brush to blend the edges. So this is the eye look that I did on my best Maybelline nude lipsticks video, and you guys loved it so much, so I decided to recreate it, and I hope you find this video helpful. Here I'm using the Rimmel Scandaleyes eye pencil all over my eyelid, and this looks so beautiful on the lid alone. So here I'm using it as a base, and I'm gonna add another liquid eyeshadow on top. So here I'm taking the same eyeshadow again and using it on my crease just to intensify it and make sure that there is no harsh edges. Once that is done, I'm topping it off with a liquid eyeshadow, and this one is from Wet n Wild. Now Wet n Wild liquid catsuit eyeshadows are so good. They are very good quality, very affordable and available almost everywhere. You can get it on Nykaa, on HOK Makeup, and if you haven't tried it already, just go and get one shade. I'm sure you won't get disappointed. Then I'm taking this darker brown shade and placing it on my outer corner and just dragging it onto my outer crease to give my eyes some more definition. So here, as you can see, I'm just building up the color. Not too much, guys. This is so easy. There is nothing ham in it. If you follow the steps one by one, you can achieve it in no time. And I'm using the same fluffy brush to make sure that everything is seamless and blended. Next, I'm mixing these two shades that I have used on my lid, and I'm just using it on my bottom lash line as well. This is so easy, you guys. I have just used two eyeshadows from this palette, as you can see. I haven't used a lot of products to confuse you guys. This is very easy. As you can see, the steps are very easy and the products are very minimum. I tried to use as minimum product as I could, to be very honest, and with the help of the same fluffy brush I am just blending everything all together so that it looks nice. Now this one is the start of this eye look, and this is the Nykaa Glamoreyes eye pencil in the shade Blue Hex. This looks so beautiful on the eyes, so I tight lined with it, then I curled my lashes and applied some mascara, and that's pretty much it. So guys, that's the finished eye look. This is the modified version of the previous one, and I hope you like it. Now guys, please welcome the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade Deep Bronzer, and this is a new purchase and this smells amazing, you guys. I can literally smell it all day. This smells so good, you guys. Anyway, moving on, I'm using it as a contour and a bronzer. I'm not gonna use any contour today. I'm just gonna use this bronzer, and as you can see, this blends so beautifully on the skin. I really like it. So highly recommend it if you want a good bronzer. Next, I'm using another Physicians Formula product, and this is the Physicians Formula Butter Blush. The formula of this blush is exactly like the butter bronzer, and they smells exactly the same. They have a very tropical vacation kind of smell, and they smell like coconut that I really like. And it also blends beautifully on the skin, so highly recommend it. Next, I'm using a highlighter. As usual, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. I have been using it a lot from like past 2 years, I think, and it's still going strong. And as you can see, I have a lot of products left. So yeah, this is a very good highlighter. I have a lot of highlighters, but I always go back to this one. Okay, so time to do my lips, and I'm using the Lakme Masaba Lip Crayon in the shade Bubble Pink. And as you can see, it broke from the middle while applying it, and I still am so pissed off because this was my favorite pink lipstick of all time. Anyway, moving on, I'm using another Lakme Absolute lipstick, and this is in the shade Pink Silk. Now I love this shade a lot, and yeah, so I used it to complete this look.